Hi everyone. I am going to be doing a stamp with a sponge today. I took a makeup sponge and just cut it in half. I'm thinking there's probably some easier ways to do this, but I don't wear makeup, so I just had these sponges for some art, and I figured I haven't used them in a while, why not just cut them up and make some shapes that I want to try. But I like this teardrop shape, and so I just wanted to see what kind of stamp it would make. I just have some white acrylic paint. I added just a tiny bit of water to thin it down, but I have just a big page here, and I'm going to do, because I have such a large page, I'm probably going to do some stamps in some different directions just to see. I was thinking about like making kind of a plant shape if I did leaves and then connected all of them. But I think I'm going to have to really squish this down to get it flat, because when I cut it, it didn't cut evenly. That actually makes a really pretty flower shape though. So we're going to try, I'm going to move this around. I was hoping for more of that teardrop shape, but I don't think that's going to work. So I am going to make some petals with this. Wow. Okay, so different shape than what I was hoping for, but it was because I just took some scissors and cut it. But I actually like how those are turning out. Very more organic leaf petal shape. Oh wow. All right. So that was unexpected with that, but I do like how they turned out. So I think what I'm going to do is keep going with that shape, and I might just fill up the page with those florals and then maybe use those. I could see cutting them out. Okay, that turned out so pretty. I could see taking a pen and embellishing it once everything is dry, or adding another layer. You could totally fill in some of these other layers with another color, but this turned out really awesome. So just another little sponge that you may have, just a little makeup sponge. I still have this other half. I might try and sponge with another area of it and see what kind of stamp designs I can make. But man, I mean, even doing the sides, I feel like maybe that would make more of a thinner leaf shape. But this turned out really, really nice. The petals that it created was just something that I was not expecting. So yeah, this could be really beautiful, especially if you're doing a floral piece. So thank you guys so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.